Hello friends, this is Hannah Home Decor. I hope you're in good health and enjoying my videos. If you're liking the content which I'm uploading, please like and subscribe my channel. This is a small channel and your support is crucial for us. If you're watching for a refresh look for your bedroom, then you're the right location. Here we are providing you a lot of ideas regarding bedroom if you are searching for rustic, modern, eclectic look. This video is providing you with all of the layouts. So metallic accents um, can also provide you an amazing look. And if your bedroom color scheme is neutral, you can benefit from eccentric accents like a metallic table lamp. Table lamps are lampiers, they well with the blush tones, and they offer a creative twist into the whole decor, even if it is minimalist design. A bedroom should be cozy and comfortable. That is the top priority when decorating your room. If you're short on space, you can install white panels, horizontal panels, and you can outfit your bedroom with a compact bed and nightstand. In this way, you can utilize the most of the space, and you can upgrade your simple dresser. You can use your favorite beautiful family pictures to upgrade your old dresser. You can bring them there and can bring a refreshed look to your bedroom. You can bring a change in your bedroom by coloring a vibrant color to the wall behind your bed. The choice of lights when it comes to decorating your bedrooms directly affects the whole ambience of your room. So if you want some cozy, warm, or relaxing environment, then you have to choose the lights accordingly. Corner vases with some soothing flowers or neutral colors also add beauty. A vibrant shades behind your bed give a bold and amazing look to your bedroom. You can install your bed's headboard in a matching color as the wall behind your bed, and it gives just an amazing and royal look to your bedroom. Artificial artificial wall panels, they can be simple, embossed or floral. You can use them to decide the theme of your room. You can add some beautiful green plants on the wall with hanging planters, or you can keep green plants beside your bed and they will make your bedroom amazing. I hope this content is helpful. If it is helpful, please subscribe this channel and give it a thumbs up, because your support is crucial so we can keep on working and bringing you such ideas. Thank